Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the crypto Calm Exchange. First, download the crypto Calm app from your mobile device's app store. Next, register using your email address and create a secure password. You will then receive an email to verify your account. Click the link provided. Finally, complete the phone number verification by entering the 6-digit code sent to your device. This initial setup takes only a few minutes to ensure your account is ready. After the initial setup, the next crucial step is identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer or KYC. You will need a valid government-issued identification document, like a passport or driver's license. Take clear photos of both sides of your ID. Then, complete a quick liveness check, which usually involves recording a short video of yourself. Finally, upload a proof of address, such as a utility bill from the last 3 months. This process typically takes between 1 and 3 business days for approval. Once your identity is verified, you are ready to fund your crypto Calm Exchange account. You can link a bank account to deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Alternatively, transfer existing cryptocurrencies from an external wallet directly to your exchange address. Another option is to purchase crypto instantly using a debit or credit card. Always double-check the deposit addresses and ensure all linked accounts are verified to prevent any delays or issues. With funds in your account, you can now explore the crypto Calm Exchange. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface, which displays various cryptocurrency pairs and their current prices. Learn about different order types, such as placing a limit order to buy at a specific price or a market order for immediate execution. Always enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. If you encounter any questions, the customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.